Hey friends, I'm going to be making plant-based sushi and showing you different tips on how you make this at home and super delicious. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is mix out your ingredients. I already have a few ingredients here that we can start using and assemble our sushi. I have here some parsnips, which is the white carrot. I have here some sweet potato, the Japanese one, green bell pepper, in julienne strips, red onion, and cilantro. These are ingredients that we're going to be using for our delicious sushi. Now, I want to start with first the sauces. There's two sauces that I'm going to be roll. So the first thing that I want to do is start with this special avocado mayo that I want to make to add into our sushi roll. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to get some avocado. So here I have some avocado. I have about almost a whole avocado. And I'm going to add a little bit of rice vinegar and a little bit of sugar. Now this is going to mimic like a mayo basically, but it's just going to be made out of avocado. And I thought that that's a fantastic idea because mayo is made out of like oils and different things like that, oils and fats. So it's pretty high in fat. So I like to use a more whole fat. So I'm going to use avocado. So I'm going to mash this up and put it together. So I want to mash it up with like a whisk because we want this to be like a dipping sauce. This is one of the best things I've ever tried in a sushi roll. It was like next level, I'm telling you. So I also want to make a sriracha mayo. So here I have half a cup of cashews and a cup of cauliflower. It was frozen. I'm going to add it to a blender. What I want to do is I want to get some non-dairy milk, and I'm going to be using soy milk, unsweetened. Just add a little bit at a time. So this is going to be a mayo as well, but it's going to be a white mayo. So we're going to add some vinegar. Then we will add a little sugar, and we're going to blend until smooth. There you go. And there was a sushi master that went to my school when I was in culinary school, and he said to always, have enough space in the rice. Don't clump it all together. So, some bell pepper. And start with a little onion. A little cilantro. This alone is really good. The avocado mayo. And I have here the Japanese sweet potato and the parsnip. Now we just roll it. You can use the mat or you can use your hands. I prefer my hands, to be honest. I trust myself more. Then you add a little water on the edge. And you stick. There you go, our first roll. What happens is the sushi roll is flipped and the rice is outside. So we're gonna add the ingredients here. We'll add a little green bell pepper, a little onion. Might want to rip that off. A little lettuce. Cilantro. You get me. Some sweet potato and parsnip. A little avocado mayo. And now you roll. This one we might need the mat with it. We leave that available for gluing. We'll see how that works. And we'll just use the mat to help us stick it together. Look at that. Okay, so for the next one, we're going to add a little bit of sugar, a little bit of wasabi powder, vinegar, a little bit of soy sauce, and some chili garlic salt. And there you have it. Ta-da! Our amazing, delicious sushi platter. Isn't it delicious? Doesn't it look good? I think it does. Look at that. And it's super delicious. Let's get into it. So we just cut it in the middle. And maybe we can put this back into the platter. And we just place it in our serving to dip it. I'm going to try my little soy sauce first. Got a little bit of a ginger bite here. Oh, and there you go. Mm. Oh, wow. Mm.